Good afternoon, YouTube. This is a tie rod end. I'm going to show you one that's in decent shape and one that's wore out. I had just taken these off and replaced them, and I'm going to wiggle this back and forth, and as you can see, that's pretty tight. So that tie rod end is pretty good shape. Both of these tie rod ends are same threads both ways. Here's the one that's wore out, and see how it wiggles back and forth? That other one did not do that, or it wasn't quite as bad, but this one is definitely wore out, as you can see. Like I said, both sides are the same size threads on this particular 2013 Polaris Ranger UTV midsize. And here's the numbers on the box that I ordered. And it's probably upside down. And it's still upside down. If you can make that out, it's a TE 123. That's what it is. It's tie rod ends. I ordered 2 of them. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Hello, YouTube. This is a continuation of the tie rod ends. I'm going to show you here the new one that I just put on both sides. Like I said, they both got the same size threads. They turn the same direction on this particular UTV. And that's the passenger side tie rod end, and this is the driver's side. And as you can see, I replaced both new boots for the steering boots. Okay, there you go. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.